Ever wondered how a simple equation like y equals -3/2 x minus 4 can draw a perfect line on a graph? Today, we're demystifying linear equations by graphing them step by step. Our journey begins with this equation. Y equals -3/2 x minus 4. First, let's set up our coordinate plane. Remember, it's like a map with horizontal x-axis and vertical y-axis. The first key point is always the y-intercept. This is where the line crosses the y-axis. For our equation, it's at 0, -4. Now let's unlock the slope. Think of it as a set of instructions. Move down 3 units, then move right 2 units. Starting from our y-intercept, we move down 3 units and then right 2 units. This brings us to our next point. To ensure accuracy, we can also go the opposite direction. From the y-intercept, move up 3 units and left 2 units. This also lands on our line. With 2 points, we can draw our line, connect them, and there it is, the visual representation of our equation. The key takeaway is that every linear equation has a unique line. By finding the y-intercept and using the slope, we can graph any straight line.